Hi, so the next, I would like to discuss some miscellaneous comments on functions on vectors. And first, statistical procedures. So remember that we have defined midterm 1 and midterm 2 vectors. And if we subtract midterm 1 score from midterm 2 score, you can see mostly positive. Actually, you can see that most students get higher score in midterm 2. So I would like to see whether or not midterm 2 score on average is significantly higher than midterm 1 score. What test should we use? So usually this is just one sample test, so we apply a t-test. Of course, t-test needs normality of observations, but with 5 observations, obviously we cannot wait to test if this is normal. And it looks, it's not very skewed data, at least. Maybe negative 30 is a little too small, but we decide to do t-test. Then you can use t.test function, midterm 2 minus midterm 1. Then it returns the many output. So the first output is the t-value. So the t-value is 0.91 and degrees of freedom. And the second one is degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is 4. We have 5 observations, so df4. Then p-value is 0.413. So that means, so this is more than 0.05. So it's not statistically significant. So the mean of midterm 2 minus midterm 1 is not significantly different from 0 at 5% significance level. Okay, so this is larger than 5%, so not significant. Also, it has some other information such as alternative hypothesis of this is the mean is not equal to 0, so two-sided test. Also, confidence interval is negative 20 to 40. And the overall, the mean, sample mean is 10. So some functions have this kind of the very complicated output. And actually you can extract some output. For example, we can name this output as A. Then if you type the A bracket 1, then you can extract the t-value, or bracket 2 parameter. So degrees of freedom. So this can be also obtained by a $sign parameter. Then we get 4. But actually, the object includes still some name of this one. So if you want to get this 4 only, then we can get this by double bracket. Then you can deal with it as usual number. Okay, so this is a statistical procedure, and later in this class, in this course, we would discuss the more complicated functions.